If you live in Spain, you've probably heard of Bizum. But what exactly is it? Bizum is a mobile payment service integrated into banking apps, allowing users to instantly transfer money, pay in physical and online stores, and even make donations. Bizum was launched in 2016 as a joint initiative by Spanish banks to compete with international payment platforms like PayPal or Venmo. It is managed by Sociedad de Procedimientos de Pago, SL, an entity formed by over 30 Spanish banks, including major names like Santander, CaixaBank, BBVA, Sabadell, and ING. This consortium ensures that Bizum is interoperable, seamlessly connecting accounts from different financial institutions. The functionality of Bizum relies on linking your phone number to your bank account. Here's how it works. Phone number linkage. When you activate Bizum in your banking app, your phone number is registered in a centralized database managed by Sociedad de Procedimientos de Pago. Instant transactions. When you send money, the system queries this database to identify the recipient's bank and processes the transaction in real time. Interoperability. The money moves directly between bank accounts using the SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, infrastructure, ensuring secure and fast transfers. Is Bizum secure? Absolutely. Here's why. Direct banking integration. The entire process occurs within banking apps, avoiding the sharing of sensitive data with third parties. Regulation compliance. It adheres to the same regulations as banks in Spain and follows European digital payment standards. Strong authentication. Each transaction is validated using two-factor authentication, 2FA, such as PIN codes, fingerprints, or facial recognition. One of the great advantages of Bizum is its low cost. For individual users, the service is free of charge. For businesses, fees vary depending on the bank, with commissions tailored to transaction volumes. And what about limits? You can send up to €500 per transaction, with a monthly maximum of 60 transactions. The minimum transfer amount is just 50 euro cents, making it perfect for splitting small expenses. Bizum is incredibly versatile. You can use it for personal transfers, splitting bills, paying a friend, or sending money to family. Online payments. Over 50,000 stores accept Bizum as a payment method. In-store payments. Some businesses allow Bizum transactions directly at their payment terminals. Charitable donations. More than 6,000 nonprofits accept donations via Bizum. Since its launch, Bizum has become a phenomenon in Spain, with over 30 million active users and 1 billion transactions processed by 2023, it has grown exponentially, meeting the needs of modern users. How does Bizum stand out from other services? Speed. Transactions are instant, while PayPal may take hours or days to transfer funds to a bank account. Bank integration. No need to create external accounts, unlike PayPal or Revolut. Cost. Free for individual users, whereas other platforms may charge fees. Bizum is expanding its capabilities. Future innovations include wider integration with physical stores, international expansion to other European markets, enhanced user experience with AI and voice-based payments. Bizum is more than just a payment tool. It's a revolution in how Spaniards manage money. If you haven't tried it yet, activate Bizum in your banking app today and join millions of users.